John Dow, the conversation coach here. Let's do some pronunciation practice in this video of how do you say. So let's jump right into it for my non-native English speakers. Let's talk. So one of my clients, he wanted to know how do you pronounce this word right here, Nevada. And I say Nevada. And he was curious because he was looking through some old pronunciation videos of Trump, but let's listen to how Trump says it.
Nevada. And you know what I said? You know what I said? I said when I came out here, I said Nevada. And you know what I said? Nevada.
Sorry about that. But yeah, it turns out that me and him pronounce it the same way. I don't know how I feel about that, but no, seriously. Technically, or according to people who live in that state, it's pronounced Nevada. Now, this is one instance where I don't think it's so much, oh, he completely flubbed it. Like, I grew up all my life saying Nevada as well. I think the differentiation is, are you local? Are you from that area? There's going to be a more proper pronunciation. So with names, it's always going to be a little bit tricky. Whenever you learn city names, it's also tricky. Certain cities were pronounced a certain way where I grew up in Arkansas, Peabody, but up here in Massachusetts, Peabody. So it can be really frustrating, it can be really confusing, but don't look at the pronunciation of a state, a city, a person's name as an indicator of how fluent or how good your English pronunciation is overall. So this is a very different and special, unique type of case, okay? So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any disagreements, if you're from Nevada and you want to voice some grievances, leave some comments below. Otherwise, like, share with your friends, and if you have any questions or requests for future pronunciation videos, at me on Twitter, COMMDAO, ComDow, let's talk.